Mockups is a very important thing for presentation, your designs and for your portfolio. And now you can create your mockups with help of Nano Banana, and today I'm going to show you how you can do it pretty easy. And if you're interested, please keep watching. At first, you need to create design illustration. You will find my tutorial with the design below this video. And now let's go to Adobe Illustrator. After you created your design, you need to create packaging design. I want to create design for ice cream packaging. You can use that illustration for any design and for any packaging you want. And guys, if you're a beginner graphic designers, please start from my that video where you will find a free plan with 30 tasks in Adobe Illustrator, and you can start your career from that free video. And in that packaging, I am using my own font here, and in that place, and you can find my font below this video absolutely for free, and in that place you will see my font. Now you need to save your designs in PNG or JPEG formats, and now let's go to Nano Banana. I'm using Nano Banana on Magnific. It was a free pick, but of course you can use Nano Banana absolutely for free here on official website from Google. And we will come back here again, but at first Magnific. Why I'm using Magnific? Because I use here not only Nano Banana, I'm using here others AI models. So if you want, you can try it for free, and I'm going to show you how you can try it for free. And if you like, you can buy a subscription on free pick. Here you see my prompt. Here guys, you see my prompt. It's pretty easy. I don't like pretty long prompts, and I like just simple prompts to create my mockups. And here you see a glossy stylish orange ice cream package with a reference design next to an open orange ice cream with no design and a wooden table with scattered oranges in the background. The packaging is realistic and slightly wrinkled. So now we need to add our design. Upload media. Take our design, open, add. Okay, and now let's see what we make with that prompt. Here you see, of course, results, but let's make it again. I'm going to take that size and that quality. Generate. As you see, it's almost the same design here, and you can generate your mockups as many times as you like it, and you can change everything what you don't like, for example. But I like my design here. I like the prompt. It's my own prompt, but if you had to create your own prompt, you can of course use, for example, ChatGPT to make prompt for your design. Now you see other design like this, the same prompt but some different designs. And now let's go to Google Nano Banana to make here the same design. Let's copy prompt like this and put here, add here design, open and generate. Here you see my mockup. It's pretty cool, and I don't like here, of course, that watermark, but of course you can delete that watermark pretty easy. And let's download and let's look at that little closer. Okay, here you see the design. It's pretty good quality and it's good for your portfolio. Okay guys, it was Nano Banana tutorial. You can use official Google website, or you can use, for example, Nano Banana in Magnific. I like it because here's a lot of different models as well, and as well video generator, but it's not ad, it's just my opinion. And as well, below this video you will find my Behance project with mockups from Nano Banana and of course my designs. If you want to see it a little closer, go below the video and you will find the link to my Behance project. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos in the graphic design. And before you go, I want to invite you to my Telegram channel where I'm talking about graphic design, about selling your designs on stocks, for example Adobe stock or Shutterstock, and talking about graphic design and of course freelance. And if you're interested, please come to my Telegram channel.